Listen carefully, this is not a joke. This is a cybersecurity alert for July 2020. Intelligence reaching us at Global Cybersecurity HQ indicates that there is high resurgence in rates of jackpotting attacks against financial institutions. You may ask questions such as, what is jackpotting? How does jackpotting attack affect you? Well, in this video message, we will explain jackpotting attack, and how you can keep yourself and your money safe from becoming a victim of jackpotting. Jackpotting is a type of attack where cyber criminals install malicious software at ATMs, resulting in large cash deposits being forced out of the machines by the hackers. Yes, you heard it right. A cash machine, dispensing money without appropriate authentication and authorization. I repeat, this is not a film script, it is not science fiction. This is reality. Don't make yourself a victim of jackpotting. All you have to do is watch this video till the end to understand how jackpotting attack is carried out, and also to know the key players in the jackpotting cyberverse. Jackpotting attack can be launched against a cashpoint machine in many ways. In this global cybersecurity alert, we will highlight 2 ways only. 1. By using a USB port to make physical connection to the cashpoint machine. 2. By using a malware, such as Winpot. Winpot is a specially designed malware that is used to compromise and exploit the software installed in cashpoint machines. Remember that Winpot affects a particular brand of cashpoint. Not all cashpoint machines can be affected by Winpot. Bear in mind that low-skilled cyber criminals make use of Winpot, or indeed any other cashpoint machine malware, to exploit the vulnerabilities in legacy or outdated digital products. The threat of a second wave of jackpotting is high, particularly in Europe. So, what can you do? In attack type 1. Before you use a cashpoint machine, look out for signs of scratches, badly soldered, or damaged side panels. That could be the point where a physical connection was made to the cashpoint machine through a USB. If you notice that a cashpoint machine has been tampered with, do not use it, report it to appropriate authorities. In attack type 2. Where a malware was used, if you go to a cashpoint machine and you see some money sticking out, you may think that someone left their money in there by mistake. Do not use the cashpoint machine. Do not take the money. You may wonder, what else can you do to help? Well, it is not in your hands to do something about the money. Having said that, if you see a cashpoint machine throwing up cash all over the place, report it to appropriate authorities. Notify the bank or the cashpoint provider. They will need to take the following recommended steps. Step 1. Upgrade their system. Step 2. Adopt defense in-depth strategy. Defense in-depth strategy will help to increase the difficulty of a breach in security, and also reduce successful attacks by cyber criminals. Remember, these are low-level cyber criminals. In this global cybersecurity alert, we have highlighted 2 ways of jackpotting. There are many other ways. I repeat, the threat of a second wave of jackpotting is high all over the globe. We will keep monitoring the situation. In the meantime, let us know your thoughts, and do not forget to watch our videos on network security. Subscribe to be notified of new cyber threat. We hope you found this video message very informative. This global cybersecurity alert message is brought to you by Faith Media Platform Educational Production. Thanks you for watching.